So this was a absolute last minute plan. Was not expecting to be here at all. Freezing my absolute tail off, but made it out to Indianapolis to go to PRI 2024. And this is only my second time at PRI actually. And I just got in. Turk just revealed his Celica. It looks super sick. I'm on my way over to registration. It is about 4:30, 4:40. Show's ending in about 20 minutes, but Link ECU is having a little get together at their booth at 5 o'clock, so heading over. My buddy Jim Lau, former president of Formula Drift, now works at PRI, so I hit him up, got me a pass. So we're gonna go in, get registered, go check the show out.
How dusty this, how dirty and gross this is in here, dude.
Brother, that's not good. That's not good at all. Look at that.
Oh, dude, that's from the flood.
Look at the other one. Oh, brother. coming into the final days of 2024, and we're having a big sale on shop.forsbergracing.com. So hop on there to grab our last pieces of merch before we line up our 2025 new gear, where you have a few keychains left, some more shirts, and we have a couple of these awesome Nismo hats left in stock. So make sure to head on over shop.forsbergracing.com to grab our last pieces. Yeah,
so feel free to get feedback too. So most of the stuff is based on my feeling and whatnot. I've got no actual real life dressing feel, so I'm all on the same page.
for sure.
Get the feedback. Oh, I see that man out of the way.
So in the end, PRI is amazing. It's such a cool show, and we get to see all the new technologies coming out, people's builds. It's a way more like racer version of SEMA, if you will, right? So SEMA, yes, there's big vehicle drops, big debuts, and all of our partners are out there. But PRI is a little different, of course, the performance racing industry. So it's strictly about performance. There's not too much of the flair on top of it, although there were some super rad builds, a bunch of debuts. Seeing Turk Celic out there was like really awesome. And then of course all the new technology that we got to show off. And then that sim racing room was so freaking cool. I've never seen like such a display of all the sims, right? And I've seen rigs like that before, but just to have so many in one space was really cool. And having a chance to drive on that Podium 1 setup was incredible. Easily the most expensive and advanced sim that I've ever been a part of, or been able to drive, if you will. And so being able to ride on that and drive on that, and yeah, I mean, it was a ride. The table is going everywhere, right? So yes, of course, it's not exactly a ride, but felt like one for a minute there. So I need to step up our sim game back at the shop. But anyway, long story short, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. So grateful for all of you that support our team and our program as we go into 2025. I want to say to those that celebrate, Merry Christmas. To everybody else, Happy Holidays. And it's going to be a very awesome new year coming in for 2025. So thank you again. See you guys soon.